Today we're going to be talking about lesson 5.2 on proportions. So a proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equivalent. Remember, the word equivalent means equal. Two quantities that form a proportion are considered proportional. So we're looking to see if two ratios, two comparisons of quantities, are equal to each other. So today we're going to be exploring multiple ways to find out. So on the first method, we could see that 2 times 5 is 10. So we need to ask ourselves, is 1 times 5, 5? So if the answer to that is yes, which it is, these are considered proportional. They're equal ratios. So now if we look, 6 times 4 makes 24. Is 4 times 4 18? Since 4 times 4 is not 18, these two ratios are not proportional. Again, 3 times 2 is 6. Is 10 times 2 5? Since it is not, this would be not proportional. They are not equal to each other. Now, on number 4, we can't kind of identify any basic multiplication or division that would help us find out if these are equal. So another method is to simplify the fractions. We know that 15 and 12 are both divisible by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 15 twelfths and 5 fourths are equal to each other. We also know that 25 and 20 are both divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 25 twentieths is also equal to 5 fourths. Since both of these ratios are equal to 5 fourths, these are proportional. Now let's look at another method. Oh, sorry, one more on that one. So here we have tell whether x and y are proportional. So here we can say 1 times 12 makes 12. Does 2 times 12 make 24? Does 4 times 12 make 48? And does 6 times 12 make 72? So if the answer to all of that is yes, because they're all being multiplied or divided by the same number, these are proportional. Now, as we look at the final example, we're going to look at that cross products or butterfly method. So remember, sometimes we refer to this to that butterfly method. On number 6, you read the first 20 pages in 25 minutes. You read 36 pages in 45 minutes. Is the number of pages read proportional to your time? So if we set this up as a proportion, two ratios equal to each other, 2 pages in 25 minutes is equal to 36 pages in 45 minutes. Now we need to see if these are equal to each other. So 25 times 36 and 20 times 45. Go ahead and multiply those now. As you multiplied both of these numbers, you should have found out that 20 times 45 is 900, and 25 times 36 is also 900. So since our cross products are equal to each other, these are proportional. If our cross products were not the same, then it would not be a proportional relationship.